Can you just put the suggestion from Gen AI in front of the human as an assistant instead of trying to completely take the human out of the loop? So it is based on the use case what you should do. There are many use cases that are meant to be Copilot use cases, and then not, just can you, but you should explicitly put the generative AI content in front of the human as a guided action. And the majority of things that we should be doing with generative AI right now are guided actions, not generative AI automations. Now, in the future, if you're asking the question, in the long run, shouldn't we be co-piloting humans everywhere? It's completely use case driven. So take the advanced planning and scheduling example. Today, should you be automatically replanning your factory based on a generative AI? If you are, you're making mistakes. Should you today be starting to create generative AI guidance that could help you replan, and a human planner takes new things into account because of what's known from your data in generative AI? You absolutely should. How about 10 years from now? Do we think it's going to be possible to have complete closed loops between factory data and APSs? Absolutely. So should a human be in that loop? No. So use case by use case, many of them will go to complete generative AI autonomous factory automation, and some will continue to be co-piloting humans. You work with expert companies like Arch to understand on a specific use case by use case basis which ones make the most sense. The ones that remain human for a long time are the ones that have to do with safety and compliance, or fundamentally are about humans talking to humans, like using generative AI to better understand the data to facilitate the conversation that a supplier and a manufacturer are having together about what they need to do, for example.